In this section, I will show you how easily we can add in the Moldbase assembly. iMold will recommend a mold base based on the size of the cores and cavities inserts. You can select another size from our readily available catalog to best suit your design. The mold base size can be edited even after it is added in. Let's go to the iMold command manager, select Moldbase Designer and add Moldbase. The Moldbase Designer Property Manager page is displayed. A preview is displayed. The Moldbase Designer automatically selects a mold base size based on the size of the layout. This size can be changed later. Under Parameters, select the Moldbase vendor as Fritava, unit as metric, type as FC and size as 3540. Click to check Define Thickness and click the Thickness button. On the Edit Thickness window dialog, we can change the values of the mold base plate thickness based on the standard sizes as well as customize the thickness. Let's custom the A plate to 67 and choose the B plate as 120. Click the Apply button to reflect the changes and close the dialog window. Click OK to create the mold base assembly. Save the project.